would be up waiting for you if you had to leave. I would wait a lifetime if you were at sea.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Super happy to be back on a regular Monday. Really crossing my fingers I'm actually posting this on Monday. If you guys have been following me, you know that I used to post Monday, Wednesday, Friday, which was super awesome, but just super unattainable for my schedule behind the scenes. So I feel like I came up with a good upload schedule. So last week I posted Wednesday, this week it'll be Monday, Friday, and then Wednesday, and then Monday, Friday again. And I feel like that gives me enough time to come up with some cool DIYs, and then also to, you know, obviously take care of everything else behind the scenes. So with that said, if this is your first time here, welcome you guys, and thank you so much for joining me. I would love it if you did become part of the DIY family by subscribing to my channel and hitting that bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. So today's video, I was actually starting out with a farmhouse-ish DIY, and then it kind of added some boho elements, and then the boho got taken out, and then it sort of turned into like a beachy nautical type of DIY. So I didn't know what to call it. We're calling it a Dollar Tree DIY farmhouse coastal beach decor. Whatever you guys want to call it. And like any other DIYs, you know, feel free to change it up to whatever style fits your home or your likes. Not everything is Dollar Tree. You could probably find some substitutes like the bamboo sticks. I'm sure you guys could use skewers, and I know they do have beads at Dollar Tree also. But without making this any longer, let's get on to the DIYs. All right, so for this one, I'll be using one of these Dollar Tree trays. They're usually silver, but as you can see, I am repurposing it. And I do have a little sawtooth hanger on the back that I'm gonna pop off somehow. In my last video, I actually did take apart a little tin planter, and I'm using the handles from it. And then I also have these Amazon beads that I will also be using. This is a sample from Lowe's, and it's in Repose Gray, which I really like. And you guys, I really like using paper towels when I paint. I use paper towels on this one, I think. And I feel like it gives it some texture. Like anytime you get sample paint from Lowe's or Home Depot, I think it's about $3. If you get oops paint with it, they'll usually mark it down for about $1. So I usually look for that, but since we were looking for paint for the house, this is what we came up with. Anyways, I don't know why I'm talking so much. All right, so while this dries, I'm going to set it aside because I am going to be painting the bottom. I'm going to take my beads. There's 7 different sized beads in here. So using the third biggest bead, I am going to thread it through the handle. And honestly, I'm really liking the natural wood look right now. You know, so I'm going to leave it natural wood looking instead of painting it. And it also saves me time because I do repurpose a lot of my DIYs. So having it not painted definitely helps saving me money, if you guys know what I mean. So we're going to use a total of 12 beads on here. All right, so to glue the very ends on here, I'm going to be using some new super glue. Starbond sent me a whole bunch of different glues, and this video is sponsored by Starbond, just so you guys know. So I have 5 different ones here. I have not opened them yet. This is my first time trying them, but I am super excited for spray adhesive. So again, this is Starbond. This is Accelerator. It dries super glue instantly, no pun intended, and it dries clear. It says build faster, no wait time. So I have that one, and then I have 4 other ones that you would expect to be more tacky, like the super glue. This one actually dries in jet black. It fills voids in dark wood, so that's pretty cool. Black medium thick, there's the gap filler thick, and then there's a multi-purpose medium. So we'll set these aside. I'm going to be using this one, which is the flexible medium thick, high performance premium. All right, so this one is high impact resistant, gap filler, stronger than, fills gaps and voids wood. Well, you know, now I'm confused. Which one should I use? Which one shall I use? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. We're going to go ahead and use this one. No, this one. All right. made up my mind. We're gonna use this medium Star Bond. All right, so by the way, I will go ahead and link them down below in the description box if you guys are interested. Definitely go check them out, especially if you're into hobbies and crafting. Obviously you are because you're watching, so. I just went ahead and put that little nozzle thing on here and then trimmed the top. So now I'm gonna take my little handle here.
I just wanna say that I feel that our love is real. Maybe we should hurry up and seal the deal.
All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and prop this up and let it dry. I'm gonna take these little clamps right here and just hold it up to dry.
Love you till the end of time. I just wanna hold you for forever. Every day you're making me better, 'cause I love life.
So while I finished painting that tray, this is all dry. That actually dried really, really quickly. That's why it's called super glue.
Is rare, and I wanna take you there.
I would definitely not grab it from the handles because, you know, handles are for looks, not for handling. Alright, so for the next 2 DIYs, I'll be using 3 of these Dollar Tree vases. They're like the milk container looking ones. And I do have one of these little terracotta platter things from Walmart. Honestly, I don't really bother with taking off the stickers just because you're not really going to be able to see them. And this is going to be more or less of an experiment. I'm not really sure which way I'm going to go. But I do have these bamboo sticks from Amazon that I will link down below. I feel like I might wrap the vase around like this, but I don't like how this one sticks out, so I might cut it to size and then just go all the way around. So while I figure that out, I'm just gonna play some music for you guys and get to work.
I think I might be hooked on you. I love the things you said to me. It seems like you like me too. We can take it slow, make sure we do this right. Canceled all my plans to be with you tonight. So just sit with me, talking to the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think we were meant to be. You make me anxious. I think I might be stuck on you. I love the things you do.
All right, so to finish this off, I'm going to be using some of this nautical rope from Dollar Tree. This is just one strand. It comes kind of looped together, not looped, but twisted together. So I just took one strand out, and then I'm going to glue it here at the bottom and then at the top. I thought about putting something here in the center, but I might just leave it that way. But we'll see. I guess you guys will see if I do that or not.
For me, it seems like you're dropping clues. There's no need to rush, so let's just take our time. Dropping everything, 'cause you're stuck on my mind. So just sit with me, talking to the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think we were meant to night into the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think you were meant to be with me. Talking to the night into the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go come closer next.
So for this very last DIY, I'm going to be taking this Dollar Tree hello sign, and this is from the Crafter's Square collection. So taking that, and then I feel like I'm going to be taking some of these Jenga blocks or wooden blocks also to make a little platform. So I'm just going to make it like that. Just quickly glue them together. And again, I'm really liking the natural wood look. So I'm gonna leave these just like that. We'll be painting the hello sign. I have these little beaded stems that I'm gonna use to decorate the tray. And they do have some blue color in it, which is what kind of threw this over the edge, no pun intended, on being like the nautical look. So to match sort of that color, I am taking this Craft Smart paint in pale blue.
Wish that I could stay. Wish for this moment to never go away. But it's all in my mind. And though I know that there is nothing to find, you're a beautiful sight in the summer night. And you can't put up a fight in the misty light. You roam in the streets all alone, and all you can see, thinking about what your life came to be. You're a beautiful sight in the summer night, and you can't put up a fight in the misty light. Another day, like the mothers of Brazil find their way. We're all on our own, but you're the most beautiful I've ever known. You're a beautiful sight in the summer night.
Alright you guys, so that's going to be it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did enjoy this video, I would love it if you guys gave me a thumbs up. Leave me your questions or comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe and definitely hit that notification bell, because a lot of you are telling me you're not getting notified, and a lot of you are telling me that you didn't even think that I was posting anymore. So that's really disappointing to me, knowing that, you know, a lot of you are missing out on videos that I have been posting. So notification bell on. Alright guys, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.